Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Hemant. Want to study in Germany? Don't know where to start? Hear me out. In this video, I'll guide you through the key steps for studying in Germany. For example, how to find your desired courses, check their admission requirements, and apply to universities and more. So why students choose Germany for their study purposes? Most universities offer little to no tuition fees. Germany offers post-study work opportunities and an easy pathway to permanent residency. And of course, it's an hub for innovation research and global networking. Before proceeding with the university applications, you need to know if you need an APS certificate or no. So for those who are from India, they certainly need an APS certificate. What is an APS certificate? APS certificate is Akademische Prüfstelle or Academic Evaluation Center. So it is basically there to check the authenticity of your documents and to ensure that it matches with the German requirements. But wait, if you're applying for a non-German degree, then you don't need an APS certificate. So it is only for German degrees. To get this certificate, you need to register to APS office in your country. For India, I have provided the link in the description for APS India. And you need to upload your documents there, and once the verification is done, you will receive the certificate, and of course everything is online. To start your journey, explore the DAAD database, which is German Academic Exchange Service that supports international academic exchange and provides comprehensive resources for students. Here's how it works.
So this is the official website of DAAD. You can select the course type, bachelor's or master's. You can select the language and which field you want to study in, and click on search. Here you can see various options. You can select any one of them, and you can see all the requirements and the details of your course. When you will click on the requirement section, you will see all the requirements, and I have also provided the link in the description.
For many universities, you can also use Uni-Assist, which is a centralized application portal. Uni-Assist is an organization which pre-check your application documents and make sure they meet German university standard. So it acts as a bridge in between international students and German universities.
This is the official page of Uni-Assist. You need to register first of all, and then you need to select the language. If the language is Deutsch, then you need to change it to English. And in 6 steps you will be completing your application. So first step is get information. In this you will select the type of course, bachelor or master. In second step you will see the deadline and processing time for your application. And third step, in this step you will be able to know which documents you need to send your applications, and then you apply online using this portal, pay the fees, send the application, and you can also track your application after sending. And if you are sure that which university you want to study, you can check under tool section Uni-Assist University, and here you can select the state, city and university. So here if the university you want to study is given, then you can apply through Uni-Assist. Otherwise you will have to go to the official website of the universities you want to study. In case you want to ask anything, you have any questions, you can use this contact form.
For most master programs, you will typically need a bachelor degree in related field, proof of your language proficiency, and a motivation letter. So once you have received an admission letter from a German universities, now it's the time you can apply for your student visa. And to apply for a student visa, you also need to have some other documents, which includes proof of your financial resources through blocked account, a completed visa application form and a passport, your admission letter, APS certificate, and health insurance proof. And that's it. A complete guide to study in Germany. I hope this video helps you navigate the process easily. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.